Peace and blessings, family. Just checking in with y'all, man, on this beautiful, beautiful Monday, dog. Nigga woke up feeling like taking risks, dog. So, nigga betting on myself again, bro. Nigga escaping this matrix. Nigga done with the work and nigga finna get back on what I was on originally. Creating shit, manifesting shit, dog. That's why y'all see me out here doing my motherfucking work. A big thing about the spiritual shit. You can't just be claiming this shit if you ain't doing your work, dog. Got the toes out, man. Underneath the sun, man. It's 101 degrees, dog. I'm loving this shit. Nigga don't even feel this shit, bro.
I didn't get that.
Shut the hell up. But, yeah, man. Just make sure y'all doing your shadow work. Doing your grounding. Doing your meditation. Doing what you got to do so you can get yourself to what you can get to. This shit ain't gonna be easy. You ain't just gonna do this shit one time and then boom, you done. You gotta do this shit every day type shit. But I'm doing it more for the mental, just for mental benefits. You know, they say if you be on the sun, that shit cures depression. It cures a lot of shit, man. It fights bad shit in your body. It does a lot. Now I got my nigga out there with the dogs and shit too, man. Everybody out here raising up their vibrations, man. If you ever feeling depressed, low, under the weather, like I said in my previous videos, dog, take your ass outside, man. Quit running from that sun, dog. We're original people of the planet. Back before these folks came out and colonized shit, nigga, we wasn't staying in those fucking houses and apartments and shit, nigga. We was in the fucking woods, in the wilderness, dog. But yeah, man, shit feel good to the motherfucking nigga out here glowing, dog. Loving life, enjoying life, dog. That's how you work on raising your vibration so you can attract the things that you want to. Our souls are magnets. I said it once again, I'm say it again. Our souls are magnets. So you do shit that makes you happy. You do shit that raises up your vibration, and watch how you start attracting the shit that you want in your life. Keep staying in that apartment. Keep drinking. Keep doing all the shit that you know that's not good for you. Eating meat. All the shit that you know that's not good for you. And shit, nigga, ain't shit really gonna change, bro. Meat got hormones and emotions and shit in it. Trauma and shit in it from them animals that was going through it before they was getting slaughtered and all the shit that they was seeing. They little animal folks and shit go through and all this shit. What you think happened to us whenever we eat that shit? That energy shifts into our body, man. That's why they say eat shit that's alive. Eat alkaline, eat energy. We're spiritual, electrical beings. So it only makes sense to eat electrical things, man. Plants, plant-based. Shit like that, dog. Shit ain't hard, man. It's just if you want to be consistent. It's just if you want to do it or not. This shit ain't easy. It's gonna be some times a nigga depressed, lonely, all types of shit. It's the reason why a lot of people get on this shit. But once you fight through all that shit, bro, it'll be a beautiful ending, man. So yeah, I'll leave that shit at that, dog. Love y'all to death, man. Get y'all ass outside. I know it's hot and all that shit, but the pole is shifting. The planet is returning back to the gods and goddesses. The vibration is raising on the planet. So if you're not raising with it, then you going against the grain, man. And yeah, man, it feels good, dog. You ain't got to pay for this shit. This shit free. Just step your ass outside. Peace.